how to cancel Storytel subscription step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply get into your Storytel application, or you can even use the web version of it, web browser version, get into it, and then from there make sure that you are logged into your account. So after making sure that you're successfully logged into your account, what you're going to do is simply tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner on the navigation bar. Then from there, you'll actually be able to get into your account settings. From here, you'll actually be able to see your subscription, right? So simply tap on the option manage subscription. If you keep on scrolling, you'll be able to find that option, tap on it, and then after tapping on it, scroll all the way down, you'll actually be able to find the option of cancel subscription. What you're going to do is simply tap on cancel subscription and then follow the confirmation step on screen. You will actually be able to get that on-screen prompt. Simply follow that, and after following all of that prompt, you will actually be able to successfully cancel your Storytel subscription. And yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.